Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking base and form. Are you using log 10 or natural log? Once done, normalize the number into mantissa plus characteristic. Move decimal to make 1 less or equal to n10, record exponent as characteristic. Now round the mantissa to the table precision, typically 3 digits. This is the value you'll look up. While you act, remember why. Normalization isolates scale, characteristic, and the table gives precise fractional part, so you now perform the lookup. Take the rounded mantissa digits, use the first 2 as row and the third as column. Once located, read the mantissa entry. If tables offer interpolation, interpolate linearly between adjacent entries for added precision. Make sure to add the characteristic to the mantissa value to form the full logarithm. If initial number was less than 1, the characteristic is negative. Finally, verify by quick antilog to ensure the reconstructed value matches the original scale. You finish by assembling the final answer. Characteristic plus mantissa equals the log. Once done, apply rules, add logs for multiplication, subtract for division, multiply for powers, so you can solve equations quickly. Make sure to preserve sign for characteristics from numbers 1. If results look off, recheck 3 things: the decimal shift you used when normalizing, the mantissa digits you looked up, and any interpolation arithmetic. Correcting one of these almost always fixes discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.